guys, today is such a big, exciting day. I am off to the convention center to get my COVID vaccine. I can't even believe this is real, honestly. I'm really excited. I feel like I'm running late because I'm getting the vaccine with 2 of my coaching friends. That's actually how I'm on the list and eligible to get it. I was getting a lot of questions, so I'll just clear it up now. I am coaching 2 different ski teams, and one of them is with a high school team, so that's in a K-12 district, and because Kate Brown ordered all instructors and staff to be able to get the vaccine, I am therefore on the list. It honestly feels a little bit crazy that that is possible, but educators are a smaller percentage of the population than, say, grouping together everyone over age 65. I think their strategy was to get this group out of the way and then they can start working through all the other groups, and we have been eligible for about a week and a half. Today is February 8th, so this is the day that I signed up, and I'm meeting 2 of my fellow coaches to get it there. They're already there, which they're so early and fast. I feel like I'm now in a rush. I'm just gonna map there and we're gonna do this. I'm gonna film my experience because this is probably something that I will tell my kids about and remember for the rest of my life. I feel so lucky to be able to be getting the vaccine. Still obviously gonna be going through all of the protocols, wearing masks and being really careful. This doesn't mean I can just do whatever I want now. Obviously, you guys know I'm in the medical field. I care a lot about the science and I'm still reading a lot about it. So I'll leave some information and links down below if you guys wanna read them in the description box if you find them helpful, of things that I have been watching and listening to. But now we need to go to the convention center. Okay, my appointment is at 11:15 and I'm gonna get there at 10:40. So that isn't terrible. Here we go, let's do this. I'm gonna be listening to some good music. I feel like today is such a day to celebrate. I just pulled into the parking structure. I'm trying to find a space now. It is popping in here. I'm gonna find out how many vaccines Oregon is processing a day, and I'm gonna put it right here on the screen because I think that's interesting. There's a lot of people clearly coming together to make this happen. Yeah, I'm currently in a line. That's why you should definitely get here early, but I have 35 minutes till my appointment, so I think I'm okay. All right, I'll keep you updated. I'll try to film as much of the experience as I can. I obviously don't want to invade anyone's privacy, so we're just gonna be careful. I will try to show you guys a little bit of the experience and I'll tell you guys how it goes afterwards, so fingers crossed everything goes well. Just found a spot, putting on the mask now. I think I'm gonna double mask just cause that's what they're saying to do now. The medical one, and then we're gonna go cloth over that. Let's do this.
You got me in the mood. It feels like I'm about to get screwed. My heart is seasoned, misled. They say once you get older, you regret.
We are officially vaccinated. I'm so excited. The whole process was really easy and chill. We were waiting in line for a little bit over an hour, but they kept the line moving and everyone is so nice. So I just want to give a huge shout out to everyone who's working at the convention center right now who made the whole process so seamless. Yeah, it was great. I wasn't even nervous. I was just excited. Literally not even bad. I didn't even feel it go in. It was so chill. I feel great. We had 15 minutes where you had to wait and be observed. So they give you a little sticker with your time on it when you can leave. The woman who gave me my shot just was talking about my bun and how impressed she was that I was able to get my bun looking so good. I'm confused what's happening. Someone's trying to park behind me. I'm at La Provence right now. I'm gonna get some food, eat it outside because I'm starving. It's currently 12:38. It's been a really good day so far and I cannot wait for so many other people to get the vaccine. I got the Pfizer vaccine, if anyone was curious. So we scheduled our appointment there. They text you a link and everything, so you schedule it while you're waiting during your 15 minutes online. So I will get my second dose on March 2nd. The woman who administered my vaccine told me that I should get it closest to March 1st because that's when the efficacy will be the highest. But there was no March 1st appointment, so I'm getting it March 2nd. And then Katie and Jason, their people never told them that. So I'm not sure if it like really matters. There's a range. Obviously they want you to get it by a certain date, so they wanted me to get it by the 22nd of March, but I just wanted to listen to her and get it as closest to the date that I should be getting it. I'm gonna go get some food and drink some water. I did get compliments on my sweatshirt. I forgot to tell you guys that I got this sweatshirt that on the back it says, please wash your hands. You probably can't see it, but it says, please wash your hands on the back. So I got some people asking me about it, which I thought was really cute. I thought it was a fitting thing to wear. And now I'm into this double masking thing. I think I'm gonna be doing double masking, and I might order some KN95 masks just to have as well. Whoa, it's so cute. I mean, we still need to do a lot. Not that I will be getting my nails done for probably an eternity, but look at this. Like, it's a full-blown shield that you can put down while you're getting your toes done. What? That is pretty crazy. I mean, I like the innovation. Also, look, Katie and I are reunited. It's been like a month since we've seen each other in person. Yeah, that's crazy. Which is insane. So I'm glad we're alive again, and we're reunited, and we're going for a walk right now.
That's exactly
get the
what
corona.
Our apartment needs.
Yeah.
A stuffed polar bear.
You should totally get
this
that.
purple flower.
Oh my god, what is this? That's what you need. Oops, I found something I might have to get.
Oops.
Oops.
My heart is easily misled. They say once you get older, you
Oh my god, you need them. They're so cute. I never say this,
Do I have to buy that?
but you have to buy them. All right, I just got back from my little walk with Katie Mack. That was so fun. Just popped into a couple places. My arm is officially semi starting to hurt. It's just sore. I mean, it's nothing like dramatic. It pretty much feels the same as if I got any other vaccine, so it's not a big deal. Most people have this symptom. It's good. It means that you got the vaccine. Your body's doing its job. It's working. Feel fine otherwise. And I checked my mail and I got a package. So I'm gonna do a little mini haul for you guys. This is something I'm excited about. There is a company called Ski Like a Girl, and I came across them on Instagram and I just thought it was so cute. So I bought some Ski Like a Girl socks, and I also got some stickers, a couple of which I'm gonna send to my friends. I got this little Ski Like a Girl sticker, and I got this one, which is a nice vinyl one. So I think I might put this one on the back of my helmet, which is black, so it'll look super cool. Check them out. I'm really excited to wear my socks. I might wear these like after a day at the mountain, my Ski Like a Girl socks. Oh, and there's a note. Thank you so much for your order. We hope you love your fun socks and stickers. Oh, I got some more Christmas lights from the hardware store because I actually got rid of my Christmas lights that were in my room. They were my holiday decorations, but then we wanted to like spice up my big Lucy's room for her big room remodel, which if you haven't seen that video, go watch it because that is like amazing. I'm so proud of that still. It was the best surprise. So we needed them really fast, and sometimes Christmas lights can be difficult to find. So I gave her the ones in my room, and then I was like, kind of miss my Christmas lights. So I got some more, and I'm gonna put them over my bed. I just like the way they look. It gives off good vibes, you know? The last thing I got is thrifted. I got this cute dress from Guess. It's gonna maybe need to be taken in like just a tad, but it's so stinking cute, and I think I'll love it for like the summer and fall time. I think I'm gonna chill for a little bit. Like I might watch a little show. I think I'm gonna FaceTime T1. I also have some little packages to drop off because I'm mailing something to Keegan and Emma. So I might just do that now because it's currently 4 o'clock, 4:15. So if I book it to post office, I can get these in the mail, which is perfect because one of them has to travel all the way to Florida and get there by Valentine's Day, which is asking a lot. So I'm gonna package these things up, and honestly, we're just gonna go run our little errands. Maybe I'll even pick up food on the way back so I don't have to leave my apartment again. Packages are mailed. I'm so glad I made it just barely before 5 because whew, I really wanted to ship this off, and now they're gonna arrive perfectly. Emma and Kian, you better watch out. Watch your mailboxes. They're like, what are you sending us? And I'm like, I'm not gonna tell you. Now I just have to decide what I'm craving. I could get my usual Thai food, but I've been having Thai food a lot, so I feel like I should mix it up and support a different local business. Oh no, I forgot that the food carts are closed on Monday because of COVID right now. They have limited hours. I'm bummed. I kinda had my heart set on that, so now I parked because I just wanna figure out what I'm craving. I could also go get Indian food. That might be the move. I haven't had Indian food in so long. We're doing it. Oh, cool. It opens in 4 minutes. We're going to New Taste of India. I'm gonna check out the menu. Do you guys like Indian food? And what do you get when you go get Indian food?
New Taste of India, how may I help you?
Hi, can I place a to-go order, please? Can I get an order of chicken vegetable curry? 20 minutes. Cool.
It's clear. All a reflection with a careful tension. When embarrassing affection, we can't get any close without touching. I said, I can't put my hand there without going through it. Without us both going through it. And they say the babe.
I just got off the phone with my girl T1. We caught up on nursing school and her life in Tennessee. She's doing fabulous, literally killing it. I ate my delicious peanut butter cookies from La Provence. My arm also is a tiny bit sore, but I wanted to tell you, it's way less sore than I feel like it has been for other vaccines. Literally like a 0.5 on the 0 to 10 scale. Started going to bed so early now that I'm skiing so much because I'm so used to waking up early. So I go to bed by 11, which if you know me, that's great because I'm usually always a go to bed by 12 girl. Good morning, everyone. I clearly forgot to end the vlog last night, but I just made my smoothie, woke up. I've been watching a documentary that I found that was actually good. It's called American Tragedy, and it's about the parents of the Columbine shooter, which it's very interesting, and I definitely encourage you guys to watch. It's free on Amazon Prime. I'm reading through my vaccine packet that they handed me yesterday, and I'm gonna enroll in this V-Safe program. It's how the CDC is tracking how different people are reacting to the vaccine so they can get their statistics. I think reporting is always good. Even if you have pretty much no symptoms like I did, I feel fine. My arm is like very mildly sore, not even as bad as it would be with a flu vaccine. I think I might have had night sweats last night, like very mild, but it also just could be that I was like, you know, overheated in my blankets, so who knows. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped maybe ease your anxiety about the whole vaccine process, gave you an idea of what it looks like, and just showed you a typical chill day in my life. It was a really good day. Today's question of the day is going to be either comment what you ordered from your favorite Indian food restaurant, or if you've already gotten vaccinated, what dose are you on? What was your experience? Let's make a little forum down below. I love you guys. I will talk to you very soon. See you later.
I only worry that I'm crazy. 'Cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying. 'Cause I hate wasting time. You said